Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News. I'm your host, Emma. Today's top deals are blowing up social media, and we're breaking them down for you. From tech to toys, there's something for everyone on this list. First off, let's talk about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium, now just $741.89. That's a whopping $57.11 off the regular price of $799. This sleek smartwatch is packed with advanced features like the S8 dual-core chip and up to 36 hours of battery life. Next up, we've got the Apple Watch SE starting at just $169.97. That's an incredible $79.03 off its original price. And if you're looking for a more affordable option, the AirTag One pack is now just $24, down from $29. If you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, Beats Solo 4 are on sale for $129.95. That's the lowest we've ever seen them. Or, if you're looking to upgrade your entertainment setup, Apple's best-selling Beats Pill waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker is now just $99.95. But it's not all about tech. Let's take a look at some amazing deals on gaming consoles and accessories. For example, save up to 15% on over 1,000 different video games, consoles, and more in Amazon's massive video game sale. And if you're in the market for a new TV, the LG C3 OLED is now just $20% off. Last but not least, let's talk about some incredible deals on home goods and appliances. Save up to 15% on Bosch windshield wiper blades, or grab a Vitamix Explorian blender in renewed premium condition for just $269.95. That's $50 off the regular price. That's it for today's top deals from BGR. If you want more information, check out our full list of deals and discounts online. Thanks for watching Watchwire News. We'll catch you in the next video.